addicted to the shindig. Chop top, it says I'm gonna win big. Choose not a life of imitation. Distant us into the reservation. Defunct the pistol that you pay for. Dispunk the feeling that you stay for. In time, I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the west end. Knocked out before you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. Learn so bad, I wonder what the wave meant. White heat is screaming in the jungle. Complete the motion if you stumble. Go ask the dust for any answers. Come back strong with 50 million answers. The world I love, the tears I drop to be part of the wave. Can't stop, ever wonder if it's all for you. The world I love, the trains I hop to be part of the wave. Can't stop, come and tell me when it's time to. Sweetheart is bleeding in the snow cone. So smart, she's leading me to ozone. Music, the great communicator. Use two sticks to make it in the nature. I'll get you into penetration. The gender of a generation. The birth of every other nation. Look your way to go to meditation. This chapter's gonna be a close one. Smoke rings, I know you're gonna blow one. All on a spaceship persevering. Use my hands for everything with steering. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. Mob tops are happy when they feed you. J-butterflies in the treetop. Words that blow the meaning in the bebop. World I love, the tears I drop to be part of the wave. Can't stop, ever wonder if it's all for you. The world I love, the trains I hop to be part of the wave. Can't stop, come and tell me when it's time to. Wait a minute, I'm passing out, win or lose, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. How about you? 10 more reasons why I need somebody new, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. Right on cue. Can't stop, addicted to the shindig. Chop top, he says I'm gonna win big. Choose not a life of imitation. Distant us into the reservation. Defunct the pistol that you pay for. Dispunk the feeling that you stay for. In time, I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the west end. Knocked out before you better come to. Don't die, you know the truth is some do. Go write your message on the pavement. Burn so bright, I wonder what the wave meant. Kickstart the golden generate hub. Sweet talk, but don't intimidate hub. Can't stop the gods from engineering. Feel no need for any interfering. Your image in the dictionary. This life is more than ordinary. Can I get two, maybe even three of these? Coming from a space to teach you of the Pleiades. Can't stop the spirits when they need you. This life is more than just a read through.
I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never lands. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on. I have screamed until my veins collapsed. I've waited as my time's elapsed. the last, my future seems like one big past. You're left with me cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. Put me back together or separate the skin from bone. Leave me all the pieces, then you can leave me alone. Tell me the reality is better than the dream, but I found out the hard way. Nothing is what it seems. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus, it never ends. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. All I've got is insane. 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 I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus, it never ends. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it.
Eu fiz um show lotar em Mist sozinho. Eles esquecem que sou Link só no palco. Se me trombar vou te dar meu melhor sorriso. Chegar em casa e me afundar no álcool. Não é que meu sorriso não seja sincero, mas é que seu elogio também não foi. Conheço o Link, mas esquece do Khaled. Há 5 anos tu nem diria um oi. Eu vou te traumatizar igual quem me traumatizou. Eu vou te amar igual seu pai nunca te amou. Balãozada a noite toda, eles acham que eu tô no Rio. Se apegou porque cê quis, tu sabe os garoto vadio. Pai, eu tenho que te perder mesmo quando eu posso te ter. Mas não tem problema, tu vai achar alguém melhor. Te vi de longe, percebi onde era certo pra você. Eu não sou certo nem pra mim, lágrimas no meu celular. Lágrimas no meu celular. Chora, chora, chora. Chora, 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 chora. Essa puta foi igual 2017. Depois dela eu nunca mais fui o mesmo. Me sinto acorrentado e eu nem tô preso. Nós cheiram do meu lado e eu nem vejo. Se vende igual varejo, tá barato. Não falta mais comida no meu prato. Agora que eu não sou um fudido, me acham chato. Eles preferem ouvir um autorretrato. Só que o problema é que eu tô sempre evoluindo. Eles tão mal acostumados. Fazer o quê? No fim cê salvou o mundo, mas não se consertou. Agora tem o mundo todo, mas a que valor? Eles me fizeram crer que eu poderia sentir aquela paz que eu procuro há tantos anos por aqui. O fim foi triste e a jornada cansativa. Se você não for acreditar, é só ver o meu olhar. Talvez fosse bem melhor se a gente nunca fosse amigo. E é por isso que vai ter lágrimas no seu celular. Lágrimas no seu celular. Chora, chora, chora. Agora chora, chora, chora. Lágrimas no seu celular. Chora, chora, chora. Agora chora, chora, chora.